powder. You can put some powder on the better. I want to open this powder. Whoa! Look at my hands. It's all white. My hand is all really, really white. Next thing is we do clean up. Next thing we do put this. Get now is the perfect. Something to put with these gas. Yeah, he said it. Whenever Kita sees skin color, too much! Too much! Way too much! Too much, mommy. And the put for color.
That's too much.
Too much. I want to put it. And put it on. With Colleen. The little bit. I think that's okay. Oh. Yeah, now I want to sit up. We're together now. Mix it up. And now we're going to make playdough. Fat it. And make it like a pizza and a pancake. Yucky. Uh-oh, so many. What the fuck? Oh, this is another sauna. Hey. Oh, let me tell you. Oh, I think we need something to cut it out. I'll go right here. Wait a moment. See, I got to cut it out. This one, what this one? This is what this
What is that?
Some lettuce, some really lettuce. That's lettuce to cook in some yummy cat food and dog food. Why don't you make sense for my pets? It's white and to make it white. Got it. Set a knife for cutting some tomatoes. Look at the sign. Say no people, only pets. Right?
It's only for pets?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
Right? It's only for pets. Okay, and you sit in the living room and sit and steer. You sit and steer. Go to the sofa. It's only for stuff for people. The sign before only for people, and the sign only for pets. Right? Sit in the steer, and and I'll keep cooking, okay?
Okay, that's wonderful.
Okay.
No people here, only pets.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, you got it. Now it's the knife to cook some food and really doing this. What, and it down? Okay.
Okay, can you read it? What is the first letter?
ONLYPETS. Pets.
Only pets.
All in pets. Now some tomato, and lettuce. Wait, I need some yummy, delicious, yummy food. Okay. Wait, don't put it in my packet. Oh, sorry. I put right here. See? Look at Daddy. Okay, guys, we are cooking. And we're gonna eat some yummy food. It's almost ready. Go put it in your plate right here, and then you can eat it. It's almost ready like that.
I'm so hungry.
Okay, it's almost done and you can eat it. And I can put it in your plate and then you can eat it. You got it? Get it? Yeah, okay.
Give me my food. Give me my food.
Okay, ready. Go put it in your plate and then you eat it. And you will then went to your stomach to be number 4 lengthy, but you are number 3 right there. It can be tiny, like a little pet. Or a little bit. I need something to take it out right here. It's really hot. You do cool it down and then you eat it and it's really hot. Not eat it. Okay? Oh, okay. Gotta eat it. Yummy, delicious food. You put it in your plate and then you eat it. Then come down too. Okay. I gave you meow. Okay. Calm down. Go put right here, and then you can eat more. Or I got some food for you. Honey, I gotta put it for you. Okay. Wait a moment, and then you eat this. It's really delicious. Okay, here you go. Oh, okay. You can get that meow. Okay, I got your sticks then. And I found your seeds. Meow. Okay.
Where is my carrot?
You right here to the pot and almost ready, and then you eat it. You good? Yes, you say yes. Give me.
Bless you.
Thank you.
What is my potato?
It's right here to the pot, and then you're ready. Already right there. Wait, and I didn't ready. Meow. Meow.
Yum, 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 yum.
You want to get off the tail? Okay. Ow, ow.
Where is my mommy?
Right here to come to you. It's right here. Oh, you pay down. You like to play with you to play for my fun and the playground, but I don't see playground. There's in the side. Can I go with the garden? And I can get to the I want to eat it all. Eat it all with the fork. Step with the fork. Okay. I gave you some. Your food. Oh, meow. Okay, sorry. I gotta take for you. Oh, you okay? Got some. To eat it. Right here. Nom nom nom. See, you eat it. Okay, put it in your mouth. You want to his mouth and you want. Oh, you like it? Yum yum yum. Okay. One to his tummy. Hattie, one to his tummy. Okay.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum.
Yummy?
Mm.
Whoa, you eat it. You want to your tummy?
Mm.
Whoa, yummy.
Yum, 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 yum.
Yummy went to your tummy. Hattie, down at the mouth and go down to your body. You make me pee. Make me pee on my socks. Hey. Right here. Beep, 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 beep. Meow. Meow, meow, meow. Bye, thank you for watching. Bye, don't forget to subscribe. Bye. One more cookie videos and Hattie. Bye.